We shaved off the entire thing. And I feel like I look really hot. I feel like I look sexy. I have been wanting a hair transplant since I can remember, basically. I've always had kind of like long hair, and I've always been somebody who's been quite like androgynous. And when I started losing my hair, I know I've been needing it, I know I've been wanting it, but I've been like pushing it back. I'm just somebody who is always very like anxious and like a little bit stressed about like medical things. So I think I've always been putting it off because of that. I know a lot of people that have had their hairline transplants here, and I feel in safe hands, so here I am. My drag persona is always wearing the craziest wig, either like full 30-inch human hair or just like a full-on like 60-foot clown wig. The drag persona just gives you like such a different kind of, it's a persona, and hair comes with that. I mean, as drag queens, we do put ourselves through a lot physically. Over the years, I have done a lot of like taping, like a gorilla tape to keep the wigs in and stuff. And when you're taking that off at the end of the night, it does rip out a few hairs, it does. Moving forward, I wanna care about myself out of drag and how I view myself and being comfortable with myself as much as I do with my drag persona. Main goals, focus areas is here, the sides, so it's kind of like going back, just kind of like lowering the whole thing, to be honest, and then just kind of like thickening out this kind of top region, because the back of my hair has always been so like nice and thick. I want some of that up here. I feel really good. I thought I'd feel absolutely shattered and exhausted, but I feel really excited because I'm looking in the mirror, I'm seeing the formation of what will be my new hairline. It feels like a fresh start. I feel reborn. It was, all in all, completely painless. A lot of it was quite relaxing, to be honest. Everybody at KSL has made me feel so at home, so safe. Obviously there's like a shedding period, and I think after that, once the hair starts to come through, just kind of seeing what will become my new hair, basically, and just seeing my confidence grow right before my eyes. So yeah, I'm really excited to see the little babies coming through. I would of course recommend KSL to anybody and everybody who has a feeling that they want to get a hair transplant. I'm super happy. It just couldn't have gone better, really. So yeah, if you're thinking about it, come here.